Da 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 da. Hi everybody, it's Mr. Alqamoussi. Welcome to my class. This is an introductory video to help you prepare for success in the Mr. A classroom. In this video, we'll be going over three main class components: enrolling into and navigating the online classroom, exploring the course syllabus, and listing all classroom materials needed for the course. First, let's talk about the online classroom. To begin, log into your Google account from Google Classroom. Once you're provided with the class code, you can register for the course and view its contents on your classroom page. Once you access the course, you will find announcements and reminders under the Stream tab at the top of the page. Under the Classwork tab next to it, you can access course units with directions, content, and assessments. Next, let's review the course syllabus. In many ways, a course syllabus is like a written contract between the teacher and the students. Upon signing the syllabus, you are responsible for all of its terms and conditions. So it's extremely important that you read and understand the syllabus completely, and that you consult the teacher if you have any questions or concerns. While everything on the syllabus is important, perhaps the most consequential portion involves the portfolio grading system. Since grading in this class differs significantly from traditional grading, be sure to read this portion very carefully. Once you've read and understood the syllabus, you can print the last page, fill it in completely, and submit it to the teacher. Remember, you cannot begin coursework until you've agreed to and signed the course syllabus, so complete this step as soon as possible. Finally, let's review the class materials which you'll need for the course. As stated in the syllabus, there are several class materials which you will need to bring with you every day. The list is self-explanatory. But I'd like to take a moment to focus in particular on the specific guidelines for the class's Bellwork Spiral Notebook. To start, you're going to need a lined paper notebook. Make sure that this is a spiral or composition notebook so that it stays intact throughout the year. At the top right corner, use a sticky label or permanent marker to write your first and last name, teacher's name in case it gets lost, and your class hour. Open your notebook to the second page so that a line page appears on the left side and the right side. This is how you will begin each weekly vocabulary unit. Begin each week at the top left of the page by writing the date of the first day of the week. Then copy the week's words and write your Bellwork entry. Continue to write the day's date in your Bellwork entry for each day. This includes days in which you are absent. Be sure to include the dates so that you don't lose track of your entries. Each week, begin on a fresh page and repeat this process. Always keep your notebook up to date so that you're prepared for Bellwork notebook checks. In addition to your Bellwork notebook, I'll provide you with a 2-pocket folder. This is your portfolio folder. Write your first and last name and your class hour in the top right corner of the cover. Use a label or permanent marker. Inside, you will keep your rubrics and assignments, which you will later compile to prepare your portfolio and propose your grade. Lastly, I'll provide you with a tabbed manila folder. This is your semester-long writing folder. On the tab, write your last name, then first name, then the class hour. Use a label or permanent marker. So, to review, here are the tasks you need to complete in order to begin the course, and here are the items which you'll need to bring with you. That's all for now. Thank you. Once again, welcome to my class. I look forward to succeeding together.